Achieving financial freedom is a worthy goal. With the internet, you can explore various opportunities to generate income. Even if you're dealing with an injury, you can still establish multiple income streams and work towards financial independence. The internet provides endless possibilities for earning money, allowing you to overcome any obstacles you may face. By leveraging online platforms, you can turn your skills and passions into profitable ventures, regardless of your physical limitations. Whether it's freelancing, creating digital products, or offering online services, the internet empowers you to generate income from the comfort of your home. Don't let an injury hold you back. Take advantage of the digital age and explore the numerous ways to earn money online. With determination and perseverance, you can achieve financial freedom and secure a brighter future for yourself. Remember, the internet is your gateway to financial independence. Start exploring the possibilities today. Take control of your financial destiny and create multiple income streams that will support you in the long run. Embrace the opportunities the internet offers and embark on a journey towards financial freedom, even in the face of adversity.